How to change page width on Shopify Horizon theme. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to do so. It is very simple and it is actually built in Horizon theme to be able to change your page width. So let's just go ahead and get to it. So I'm going to have two different pages. This one where we can actually edit the width for the page, and also this page right here just to see and compare how it actually looks like before and after. So first you will need to log into your Shopify admin, go to online store and click on edit theme. From here, you simply just want to go to the theme settings here on the left side. And then right away, you should be able to find page layout. So just go and click on it. And now you're going to have three different options to choose from. So page width, we have narrow, normal, and wide. So I'm just going to, it's on normal, and this, it's narrow, and this is how it looks like right now. So let's just go to the other side of the extreme. We can just go to wide, make sure we save, and go to the other page here and refresh the page. So let's just refresh the page. And you can see that it's just became a little bit wider. If you have not noticed, we can do that again. So we can just go to normal this time. And let's just refresh one more time. And you can see that it does change. So these are the three options that we have. So you can feel free to choose any of them. And unless you want to dive with some code, these are the ones that we have to deal with. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.